Let's be real, the most important door in the United States is the garage door, right? We come in and go out through this door all the time. So I've installed one of these smart locks on it. I'm going to show you how it works because this is the door that I always forget to close. My front door, I never go through it. But this door, I always go through it. So when I leave, all I do is press and hold this thing and it locks it. And now I could leave in peace, knowing that if somebody gets into my garage, will not be able to get into my house. And also because it's the most used door that I have in the house, when I get home, I don't have to pull up a key. All I have to do is just do a fingerprint and now I'm in. I like the fact that it has also a backup code. So you could enter with a backup code. I'm not going to show you the code that I set on it, but all you have to do is just punch it in. And then there it is. It's open again. So the code is really, really nice. And here, it took me a while to figure it out, but if you push this corner at the bottom, this thing opens. And now you have a regular key. And with the regular key, you could just close it or open it in case something goes wrong. And you have a USB charge port over here in case you can find your key and you need to add a little bit of a power to it to make it move, because obviously it runs on batteries. And you have a smart lock card, so if you get this one close to it, it will open up this way too. But I really, really like the fingerprint. That's the best. The fingerprint works the best for me. I really like that part. And it has a feature where if you wait 60 seconds or 20 seconds or whatever you set it up for, after you unlocked it, it will lock itself back on. So if you're leaving the garage and you forget to lock it, it will lock by itself, which is also a very, very nice feature. The installation is pretty easy. This is how I installed it. It's actually not hard at all. This is the box that it comes in. This is the lock. It looks heavy metal solid. So this is the outside part. This looks very solid. And the inside part, it is plastic, but then the plate in the back, it's metal. So it cannot be easily broken off. There's a lot of instruction manuals over here, which is also nice because you have everything that you need in the box to hook it up. So this is the first part installed on the outside. It has a weather strip over here, that's good, even though it's an inside door. And this is the plate on this side. And then once this plate is on with the cable through, then you could put the back on. And this is how it looks like with the back on and the batteries installed. The inside looks very similar. You could lock it manually, and then you have a button over here that you could lock it from the bottom. There are batteries over here on top, so you could you run it on batteries. Also, there is a lock pin over here. In the kit, it comes with a knob that is matching. You could install or not install this lock. In my case, I'm not going to install it because I have a backup key over here in case I want to lock this door with the bottom part also. It also comes with its own bolt. Comes with 2 keys, 3 cards, and you have the password and the fingerprint. Also, you could unlock it from the app, and it comes with an app, which is Bluetooth. It's not Wi-Fi, it's Bluetooth, and the app will be able to control it. So you could open it from the app also and make all the changes that you want from the app. That's how you add the keys and the passwords. And also it has multiple passwords, so you could add multiple people that come in, and it keeps a log of all those passwords. So you could add 5-6 people with their own separate code or fingerprint, and then you will know when they came in and they got out. But one of the features that I really like about it, the fact that it locks itself. That's awesome because I always forget to lock this door behind me. So that way, if I come home, the door is locked. And I don't have to pull up any keys out of my pocket. All I have to do is just push the finger on the fingerprint and it will unlock. I'm gonna put a link at the bottom for those people that are interested into it. It's actually a pretty good buy. And now all I have to do is just clean my door over here because I just realized it's really dirty. Thanks for watching.